a general synopsis of NRS governing instrument defined as the ERC20 VEGAS blockchain. Following State NRS, California Penal and US Treasury guidelines within the LVJC, all information regarding LVJC ID 8546300's absorption and acquisitions are documente. Aramark recorded and scanned upon county-approved servers correlated to provided .government domains for Las Vegas, Nevada. These .government domains are used to extend C223683.17.1's data for acquiring entities using provided NRS codes to legally transfer IP, holdings, assets, consumable products, contracts, etc. into LVJC ID 8546300's birth security name provided by the United States of America, Corp. During LVMPD, state, LVJC, and federal government hearings-related discussions, if not fully transferred externally, during installation of L-Wire International. These codes and guidelines are used during county communications to properly install LVJC justice filings that are not infringed upon and exclude forged data via silver flume after bureaucratic transfers, following 88A.050 with the Vegas corporate blockchain for all justices, clerks, and attorneys. NRS 719.045, 719.100, and 0.039 person defines name to LVJC ID 8546300's birth security name Grant Michael Leangang. During external communications via .coms, .government domains, or state filings that have not been properly altered, corrected yet, through 88A.050's ERC20 contract Vegas. This corporate transaction system, internal and external, has been written and submitted within local kiosks and stamped by the state clerks of the courts at the LVJC as approved 88A.050 governing instruments for missing bureaucratic processing pieces for the 139.2 SQM that is Las Vegas using symbols defined at kiosk, a small v inside a circle. Search engine description, small v circle. This symbol carries bureaucratic data for all Vegas transactions regarding NRS 88A.050, 719.045, and 719.100. All URLs TLDs available on this platform for legal purposes are submitted to the LVJC by sheriff's approved USPS, internally purchased with transaction ID, mail, and stamped by the clerks of the courts after submission by the great state of Nevada, and scanned upon local state servers. These clerk stamps verify submission during hearings for C223683.17.1, Justice Eric A. Goodman, Mary K. Holthus, visual time code used for validation, or bureaucratic transactions needed, that display dates, ID 8546300 order IDs, that sign NRS 719.045, 719.100, and websites used within the court of law in the great state of Nevada for L-Wire International absorptions following NRS 88A.050, 719.100, and more. Digital designers will use by L-Wire International during or end of edits to fulfill bureaucratic processing for branding. This addition solidifies Justice Department agreements for identification and legalization transfers for registrations, trademarks, and copyrights to remove masochistic triggering from previous organization-related topics due to past development methods from 1950 to current. This allows de-triggering for provided industries and provided justices, bar-s, attorneys. Visual compositions of L-Wire International intellectual property that contain by L-Wire International in a commercial context at the end of all typography, context, imagery, videos, and credits to solidify first-party absorptions through all 50 states, USA, providences, Canada, etc., will be used for worldwide courtrooms.